What's up, everybody? Bad Vibes Forever Collection back at it again with another unboxing. Actual box this time, so it is an unboxing. Let's go. In this package, so you can read by that muzzler title, we got ourselves the Neon 17 hat, Motion logo. For those that don't own one or know about this hat, it's actually screen print. Whereas like when I first got my other Motion logo, I thought it was puff print. This one's gonna be cooler because it's got 17 on the back. All right, just about through the plastic, or the tape. Tape's plastic, no? I think I'm right. Shoot, I hope so. Imagine I just cut the freaking hat doing this. This is terrible one-handed. Sorry guys for the long unboxing. It's probably short still though. Get over here. Okay. Really, the last spot. Just screw you, tape. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Dang it. Wish I opened it from the other side. You guys would have saw it right away. Okay. Here we go though. Mint condition, I believe. Yup. Look at that. It's like a neon green. It's mint. Freaking mint condition, man. Oh, yeah. Here's why. Right here. Oh my gosh. Beautiful 17. No missing puff. Or not puff, screen print. And that good old black tag. Hey, gotta give a huge shout out, huge thanks to the homie Joseph again, dude. He freaking gave me this, purchased this for me. Like, how the heck? I was like, dude, no way. But yeah, I was just like super duper happy to get it. And freaking grateful as heck that he got it for me because I wouldn't have it otherwise. Thank you, Joseph, one more time. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this little unboxing. Wow, this thing is sick. Super clean. Let's see if there's any like, yeah, no sweat marks, no like sun damage. Clean, just a little bit of lint that I'm gonna get off. But yeah, otherwise, very happy with this. Very, very happy. Hope y'all enjoy this little unboxing. Y'all take care. Have a wonderful day. Peace.